In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove watermark from your Gemini image generated. Basically, if you guys are using the application version of Gemini right now, you guys will not be able to remove because we don't have any option over there. You can see on my setting over here. We don't have any kind of media management tool over here. To get that tool, you need to go to like browser. Let's go to Safari and then search for Gemini and then go to your gemini.com, all right, or gemini.google.com. Open that up and it should just take you to Gemini, and it recommend you guys to use the Gemini application. You don't need to use that, all right. You guys need to do is tap on this icon and then you need to go to setting, and you can see there is a media watermark. Just go there and then simply all you need to do is turn off. And now whenever you guys generate image, you will never get a watermark. Let's say I generate image. All right, let me generate the image of cats, and let's see if it will give us the watermark or not. All right, there you go. We don't have any watermark going on here. Let me zoom this out. Pretty much you can see that there is no watermark over here. All right, this is how you can now generate image without watermark on your phone as well. But yeah, I guess Gemini will update their app and you will have that media tool that you guys can generate or control the media. All right, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.